Sorry about that, everyone. I got cut off on my recorder. So again, if you have questions or concerns regarding your essay, please don't hesitate to email me. Come see me at student hours. Let me know that you're coming to student hours so I can be there to help you guys. I really want to be there to support everyone. If you don't have the link to student hours, please let me know and I can resend it in an announcement. Just take your time, look over these requirements, look over what I'm looking for as far as the rubric, go back through here, look at the items that you need, review this things to remember when writing an essay. That way you can get an A, you can get the higher grade you can get. Um, if you have any questions or concerns, I really want to make sure that you guys are understanding how to format a research argumentative essay, so please don't hesitate. Remember your college administration, so when you're adding that so what, why should the college administrators and the community leaders care that maybe, someone's economic status doesn't give them a quality education? Well, maybe because they need to adjust that. Maybe college administration needs to make education easier for those of color or for those of low income. Maybe they need to make more, programs to help people. Whatever that so what is that you want to address, really make sure that you address that. Um, I just really want to make sure and really show you guys that you need to get scholarly sources from JSTOR, EBSCOhost, ProQuest. These are all databases that you can have access to through Barstow Community College Library. Do not get your sources just randomly on Google. They will not be academic. They will not be scholarly. And you'll find that out as far when you guys start doing that evaluating source item. If you have questions or concerns, again, do not hesitate to email me, reach out to me, student hours, take this assignment to the TLSC. They can help you format, they will help you. They won't give you the answers, but they will help you. Anything that can help you guys, please take advantage of it. Other than that, guys, have a wonderful week. That is all the assignments for this week. Again, as always, if you have questions, concerns, please come talk to me. If not, guys, have a great week.